2019 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.